Markets may be closed, but the macro engine is wide open. Global liquidity is turning up, and when money flows, markets move. Today, we break down what central banks are doing behind the scenes, how it impacts trade, tech, and crypto, and what assets could benefit next. Forget rate hikes and headlines. The real signal is liquidity, and it's expanding again. The US Treasury is spending down its cash balance, injecting money into the system. The Fed's reverse repo facility is draining, freeing up more capital for markets. China is easing, stimulating credit to fight a real estate and consumer slowdown. Japan is still holding the floodgates wide open. The European Union has cut rates multiple times this past month. This isn't just technical noise. Net global liquidity is rising, and that historically front-runs bull markets across risk assets. Now layer in geopolitics. The US is reapplying tariffs, but electronics are exempt for now. That's not accidental. The US-China supply chain, especially in tech, is too important to sever. Liquidity plus stable supply chains equals upside for major tech. Stocks to watch: Apple, Nvidia, Supermicro, Broadcom, Taiwan Semiconductor, and the SMH ETF. And yes, Bitcoin is in play. It responds quickly to rising liquidity and a weakening dollar. ETF flows remain strong, and if this trend continues, Bitcoin could front-run broader risk assets just like it has in past cycles. Crypto thrives when liquidity expands. Add the next major theme: AI meets decentralization, and you've got a powerful setup. Cryptos to watch: Tau from Bitmain, powering decentralized AI compute. Fetch focused on autonomous AI agent networks. These are not hype meme coins. These are infrastructure projects aligned with macro tailwinds. Now let's talk about the dollar. The dollar is beginning to weaken. Historically, a weaker dollar and rising money supply equals risk on window. That's when capital flows into emerging markets, growth stocks, crypto infrastructure, and commodities, especially oil and copper. This is why understanding net global liquidity matters more than any single Fed speaker or CPI report. Key names to track: in crypto, Tau and Fetch.ai. In equities, Nvidia, SMCI, Apple, TSMC. And themes like AI, decentralized compute, and semiconductor dominance. If liquidity keeps rising into summer, and central banks pause tightening, you want exposure to infrastructure, not speculation. Liquidity is the foundation of markets, and right now, it's shifting in your favor. Stay focused. Stay early. And as always, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and let us know your thoughts. Like and subscribe for updates to keep you on track with macro markets today.